marks a very significant milestone for us as we bring the Pioneering Industrial Summit right here in Cebu, a platform that brings together government and private partners together with our Aboitiz business units to spark meaningful dialogue on Cebu's industrial evolution and its immense potential to grow.
Over the years, Cebu's industrial story has been one of profound transformation. From its manufacturing roots, it has evolved into a leading hub of advanced production, logistics, and technology, consistently fueled by a synergy of reliable infrastructure, supportive policies, and most importantly, a skilled workforce.
A Cebu that never stops moving, never stops creating, and never stops believing in its people. We believe that development is not measured only in numbers, but in how many lives we uplift along the way.
We have deliberately evolved beyond the traditional industrial park model, and we no longer simply call ourselves developers of land, but builders of integrated economic systems.
We envision that by 2035, province of Cebu will achieve balanced and inclusive growth.
Commitment of Governor Pam is to meaningfully collaborate with LGUs, with the private sector, in order to remove obstacles. And that is by amending policies, improving provincial infrastructure, but the commitment is to support the industrial growth of Cebu.
To make this vision real, we are pursuing a new blueprint for industrial growth, one that combines strong infrastructure, sustainable innovation, and people-centered development.
We take into consideration here the enhanced fiscal incentives under Create More, as well as other favorable conditions that make the Philippines the preferred investment destination in the region.
We should be eco-zoning the whole Philippines. We would like to do the same in the provincial government, that we would like to create more of these industrial corridors around the province.
We are a province united by purpose, ready to transform our growth into something more sustainable, inclusive, and resilient.
So that we can continue to encourage the private sector to develop and expand the industrial corridors in the island.
So a lot of it is really information gathering, to know that there are options out there, to be able to streamline your processes in your business.
Today's conversations reaffirm what we have always believed, that Cebu has the potential of boundless opportunities when collaboration leads the way. Let us continue the dialogue. Let us pursue the opportunities that we have opened together today and keep building a stronger, smarter, and a more sustainable Cebu. One that truly powers the next wave of Philippine industry.